So here you have a typical harmonic balancer, or you could say pulley or sheave for a ribbed belt. On the shaft section, you have wear. That wear is caused by a oil seal running in the same spot for an extended period of time. No matter how many replacements of these you get, you can never reseal the surface because, well, it's worn. So the Durasleeve is a thin wall wear sleeve. A thin wall wear sleeve in which you can still use the same part number seal. There's enough flexibility within this seal to accommodate using a Durasleeve. So here's what you get when you open the package of a Durasleeve. On the outside, it gives you the dimensions, and that would correlate to the dimensions of your shaft. Inside, you get the sleeve, an installation tool, and specific instructions on how to install. For demonstration purposes, we'll just show you how you would typically install. You want the surface and where the sleeve is going to be installed to have no burrs or raised surfaces, so you may have to touch it, file it up a little bit. This sleeve is designed to have an interference or a press fit, which is why you need this tool. So typically, once you've measured this and you've matched the sizes, you take your sleeve, and it's not going to slide on. You grab your tool, like this. You grab a rubber mallet, and that's designed to tap right on there. And now you have effectively repaired that groove. Now you can reassemble back into your seal, and you're off to the races.